Hi, my name is Anton and I'm working as an associate partner at Reply. I'm looking after the development, architecture and delivery teams, and today I'm going to talk to you about how do we approach extension of Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform which combines messaging, file sharing, call-in experience all together. So, despite the fact that a lot of people are using Teams as purely messaging or purely call-in tool, there is a huge potential of collaborating within Microsoft Teams. Imagine normally what happens when you're working on some business problem or some use case, a customer. You have a team of professionals involved into this solution, and then what Microsoft Teams allows us to do is just bring in the context of this problem, of this case, into Microsoft Teams and collaborate around this particular data. I would say that customizing Microsoft Teams is not necessary to achieve your business goals, because even with built-in tools you can achieve so much. Tools like Shifts, Planner, Approvals gives you almost endless capabilities. But then if you really would like to automate some of your line of business scenarios, you can use tools like SharePoint, Power Platform, and Power Automate to extend your teams to meet your very specific business scenarios which are unique to your organization only. And as the last frontier, if you have to go really deep and integrate into third-party tools, APIs, or any bespoke solutions, you can use all the power of the Azure and custom functionality to build into Teams. You know, despite the fact I am a technical person and I'm coming from a development background, I would say that any successful customizations of Microsoft Teams starts with good requirements. So you have to really understand what are those business outcomes you would like to achieve. You would have to spend time analyzing your business requirements and then solutionizing them, and then technology will be just a means of achieving your goals. Cool, so there are a number of ways how to extend Microsoft Teams. There are bots, there are tabs, there are adaptive cards, message extension, meeting extension, personal applications, team applications, live share SDKs, and extending Teams application to wider Office 365 toolset. All our clients actually asking us about how expensive is it to extend Microsoft Teams, and I would recommend approaching this by separating those costs into the implementation cost and running cost. So from implementation perspective, it's not more expensive than extending your SharePoint or your Power Platform environments. And from a running cost, it depends on how complex your requirements are, how much computation power you actually need in Azure or you don't need any. The common misconception is that because Teams is Microsoft platform, you have to employ Microsoft developers or Microsoft Stack developers to actually extend Microsoft Teams, which is not true today, because Microsoft have released SDKs for all the major languages and platforms. So you can extend Microsoft Teams with your existing PHP, JavaScript, Python, Java capabilities, and you can support this in-house with your existing team. And it's not that difficult to start coding for Teams, because Microsoft is promoting all of the tools with a lot of tutorials, step-by-step guidance, sample codes and Visual Studio Code extensions to get you started as soon as possible. If you're not sure how to get started with Microsoft Teams extensions, just reach out to your Microsoft Customer Success Managers or to one of your trusted partners such as Reply, where we can help you analyze your pain points. We can come up with a creative solution which meets your business requirements, and then we can develop and deliver those customizations into your organization. We can run adoption change campaign to make sure that those changes actually stick. Thanks for watching.